everyone, welcome back to another video. I know it's been a very long time since I've uploaded something, but today we're here with a brand new heli from GOOSKY and Frank. Massive thank you to you for giving me this heli to try. This is the GOOSKY S1 Legend. I don't know much about the heli. From what I know, it's a direct drive heli, but it's small, so 150 size from what I've heard. But yeah, it looks super cool, so I'm super excited to try and open it. And what Frank has said, if the heli isn't good, apparently I am permitted to throw it in the bin. So the bin is behind me. I will obviously do so if needed. I don't even know where I'm meant to open this, so we'll just go ahead and... I don't want to damage the box, but I'm pretty sure I've already damaged the box. Also, we did get some other stuff like the t-shirt, caps and flags for next year's Hollywood, but we opened the box itself as soon as it arrived because it was in sort of rough shape and I was worried that DHL had damaged something they weren't meant to. And I've been really careful with this thing, so you know, been as careful. That is the heli. It's a matchbox, obviously. Time to open the box. I said open the box. That is foam, as you can see. That I'm going to try and pull out of the box. Yeah. And thank you to... I've already ripped the box. I haven't had this in my hand for more than 3 minutes and I've already ripped it. Oh no. Holy, oh goodness, this is some new level of packaging here. That is gorgeous. I'm super excited to see this thing, so. Oh, it's so cute. Oh my god. It's adorable. It's so small. It's so small. Oh my god, it's so cute though. The only thing I did hear about it before, because I originally thought that I'd have to put this together, but I was made aware that it would come like that. Oh my god, it's tiny. I'm just checking the contents of the box. Is that the complete manual? Or... That is hilariously small. Zip ties. Cool. Okay. I'm gonna act like I know what I'm doing, because I do, obviously. Yeah, I do. Totally. Anyways. I'm keeping that box forever, you know what I mean? This is the heli. It seems to have everything, especially the GOOSKY motor. I'm going to be honest, I've never really liked this style of, you know, blade holder thing, blade sponges, because I don't know. I'd much rather prefer the classic where it folds over and then it's one small bit, but I'm fine with it. It's not a big deal, and that is my personal preference. Obviously, you've got the motor built in already, so that is the direct drive motor right there. We've got a battery already inside, so you don't have to purchase them. We've got all these servers, specially made GOOSKY servers, so I don't know why I said servers before. These are servos, okay, never mind. This is capable of 3D maneuvers, so that will be something we definitely test with it, so I'll see how hard I can whack this thing and see how many flips I can do with it and how I wonder if it can handle TikToks. This heli basically is so small and so light that in most countries this does not count as a drone. I mean, I could technically fly this here on the street and it would not be illegal. which is really cool because that means I get home from school and I can walk out onto the street and be like, okay, I'm gonna go fly 3D now, and you know, and that's something that I really think is really cool. And also that it can fly 3D, because back in when I first saw miniature helis, you know, 100, 200 size, as I said, the only thing they could do was hover, basic like movement, go up and down. But the fact that something like this exists and that it can fly 3D, to me, is so weird. That's the heli so far. Thank you guys for watching this video. And obviously I'm not going to throw it in the bin yet, because we still have to fly it, which will come soon as possible, hopefully. But this thing is adorable. Again, once more, I can't thank you enough for giving me this heli. Thank you everyone for watching, and also sorry for being a bit late on this heli. We were in the middle of some life crisis things and I didn't really have the time to make or even receive the heli, so we had to postpone everything. But thank you again so much for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one.